Okay guys, so the first thing you're going to do when you are setting up your Facebook Business Manager account, so you're just going to open up a new tab, and you can see here guys, I just created a test page so that I can walk you guys through this today. So we've got this Couch Digital second test page. Second, because we had a bit of an incident yesterday when I created that first test page and then could not live stream successfully to walk you guys through this. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to business.facebook.com. Now, if you have never opened up Business Manager before, which is where we are now, you're going to see a little spinning wheel and a message from Facebook that says something like, Facebook is setting up your new Business Manager account. Once it's set up, when you go to business.facebook.com, this is what you'll see, is your little dashboard here, right? And the information you see is going to depend upon the page or pages that you manage. So the first thing we have to do when we're getting you set up with Business Manager is claim the page that that ties to your business or that you're responsible for. So we're going to go over here to Business Manager. We're going to go to Business Settings. And again, if you've never opened up Business Manager settings, you'll see a very similar thing, a little spinning wheel and a message from Facebook saying we're setting up your account, etc. All right, so this is the hub of your business manager. Okay, so this is where all of the information about your various assets and accounts is going to be stored. And so you can see that here on the left-hand navigation, right? So we've got people. So what this is telling me, and I manage multiple pages, so I've got a lot of information stored in here. So what this is telling me is who am I a page administrator or editor on, and who is a page admin or editor on my Facebook page, which is my Couch Digital Strategies page. Right? If I click on pages, I'm going to see similar information. I'm going to see all of the pages that I have either claimed, which we're going to do for you guys in just a second, or on which I am an admin or editor. You've got add accounts, and we'll get into this in just a second. After we claim your guys' page, I'll take you through the process for setting up an ads account. Apps, if there are any apps that tie to your Facebook page, this is where they show. I am not in the business of apps, so I have none. Pixels, so important. We'll get into this on another day, but the Facebook pixel is really, really important to understand and get installed. And if you guys grab the Facebook Ads Success Bundle at the end of this live stream or during this live stream, your special bonus that I've included is going to talk a little bit more about the Facebook Pixel and get you guys introduced to that. It is so crucial to success with Facebook ads. You've got product catalogs, so if you sell products, you can manage those items and the catalogs here. Any connected Instagram accounts that you have. Shared audiences. So this is where, for instance, for my clients, if I manage their page and they share those audiences with me so that I can set up ads targeted to those audiences, that's where they would show. Offline event series. This is really important if you are trying to drive traffic to a store, etc. All right, so let's then take you guys through the process of claiming your page. So we're going to go back up here to pages. All right, and I'm going to come up here to add this Add New Pages button. Now you've got three options: add a page, request access to a page, or create a new page. So create a new page would create a brand new Facebook page for you, right? So if you haven't created your Facebook page before, then this is the item that you would want to select. But what I think is going to be the case for most people is that you have an existing Facebook page, but you have never used Business Manager before. So in that case, you're going to want to make sure that you click Add a Page, right? So request access to a page is going to be if you want to post on behalf of a business or have access to another person's page. You don't want to do that in this instance because you want to claim your page as the owner, right? So make sure you click this Add a Page one, okay? Now you're going to get this pop-up where it says Add a Facebook Page, and you can type in either your Facebook page name or the URL. So we're going to type in Couch Digital, there it is, second test page, and you're going to click Add Page. Now, as long as you are a page admin on your page, your request will be approved automatically. If for any reason you are not an admin on your page, I would recommend making yourself an admin before doing this. Otherwise, what's going to happen is your request will not be approved automatically, and it's going to have to go through a separate approval workflow. So click OK. And that's it. You are now the owner on Facebook Business Manager of that particular page. So you can see I now show up, Jenny Couch Roll On, page admin, I own Couch Digital, second test page. Now I can add other people, right? So if I've got a team or if I've got others that post on behalf, or if we're a volunteer organization and there are several of us that are managing social media efforts, whatever it might be, I can click Add People, type in that person's name, set their role, click Save Changes, and they'll have access to the page as well. I can also assign a partner, right? So if I want another business to post to my page on my behalf, so say I hire an external digital marketing agency, right, then I would assign that their Facebook page to have the rights to post to my Facebook page. So same thing, you'd select the role you want them to have, you'd put that, fill out the remaining information. You can also connect using their business ID if that's a little easier, click close, and now they'd have access to your Facebook page. So it's really pretty easy to claim your page and get your business manager account set up, right? It looks a little intimidating because you've got all of this navigation up here, you've got all of this navigation down here, there's all sorts of stuff going on. It looks very different from what we're all used to in the classic Facebook feed and interface, but the process to get your page claimed is really not too terrible once you know where to go. There's also this setup guide here. You can click that if you run into any issues or you're having any problems claiming your account. Just pop over here and see if there's any information to help work through the issues that you're having. So once your page is set up, right? And it's important too that you want to make sure that when you claim the page that you have so you guys can see here, I have two ad accounts, right? I have Couch Digital Strategies, which is my business. I also have a personal ad account. So what happens is when you create your account for the first time, either on Facebook Ads Manager, which I'll show you guys in just a second, or on Business Manager, it's going to tie to your personal ad account. So what you ultimately want to do is make sure that it gets tied to your business account, your Facebook page account, so that you can have that separation between your personal account and your business account. Unless for some reason you want to go the route of not having, a separate business account, it's up to you, but I definitely recommend having a little bit of separation between the two. All right, so now that you've claimed your page, the next step is to set up an Ads Manager account. So we're going to come up here to this little hamburger menu where it says Business Settings. Now, it may not, so I'm in Business Manager all the time, right? So I've got these frequently used links, Business Settings, Ad Manager, Pixels, Audiences, and then if I hit this All Tools button down here, it opens up a whole bunch of other navigation options, right? Plan, create and manage, measure and report, assets, settings, and all of these are clickable links. So there's definitely a lot to learn within the tool. For today, all you guys need to do is click this Ads Manager button. And just like when you go to Business Manager for the first time, you're going to get a little spinning wheel up here at the top that says Facebook is creating your new Ads Manager account, and then it's going to show up with this dashboard. Now, I manage ads pretty frequently for myself and for my clients, so I've got tons of information throughout the tabs here, account overview, campaigns, ad sets and ads, etc. If you haven't run ads previously, then you won't see any information here. If you've done anything, if you've run any type of paid media, and that includes just boosting posts, then you should have some data showing up here as long as your accounts were connected correctly. All right? So that is all that you have to do to set up your Ads Manager account once you have claimed your business page. You can set up an Ads Manager account without claiming your business page first. I recommend setting up your business manager account and claiming your page first so that your ads manager account ties to that Facebook page and you don't have to go through any extra steps to get them associated with each other. So that is it, guys. Then if you want to create an ad, all you would do is come up here to this little green button, click create ad, and now you're going to start walking through the 3 levels of a Facebook ad, right? Campaign, ad set, ad. And if you guys watched our video earlier in the week where we did that live session showing you how much functionality you have when you are boosting a post versus building an ad in Ads Manager, then this is going to look pretty familiar to you. So that is it. You now have a business manager account, you have claimed your Facebook page, and you have an ads manager account, and you are ready to start creating ads in Facebook.